Please note that this video was made solely for research and demonstrational purposes. Do not attempt to repeat the experiments shown in this video. Hello everyone! Today we'll consider reactions of making fire without matches. The first reaction, which is already known to many people, is the reaction of potassium permanganate and glycerin. Let's pour the potassium permanganate. Make a small indentation for the glycerol and afterwards add glycerol. Since my potassium permanganate is not ground, the reaction requires a lot of time. To accelerate the reaction, add a few drops of water. Glycerol reacts with potassium permanganate, contributing to its decomposition. The reaction increases by the generated heat. Now the next reaction. I place a mixture of potassium chloride and sugar in ratio 2:1. All components were thoroughly ground. To start the reaction, sulfuric acid was added dropwise. Now the third reaction. I moisten a piece of cloth with acetone to make it more flammable. Let's put a concentrated sulfuric acid into a pipette and then sink it in a potassium permanganate to take a few crystals. Prepare a droplet and drip onto the napkin. Sulfuric acid reacts with potassium permanganate, forming manganese oxide 7, which ignites acetone. And the last reaction. Pour a mixture which consists of 4 grams of ammonium nitrate and 1 gram of sodium chloride, i.e. table salt. All compounds were thoroughly ground. Add 10 grams of zinc powder to this mixture. Next, mix the components. To start the reaction, add a few drops of water. The addition of water facilitates the interaction of zinc with ammonium nitrate. Sodium chloride is used as an ion catalyst.